To add students, go to My Classes, then select a class. Next, click Add Students. And here you can add a single student. You can add a block of students, and that means that all of your students will have the same username prefix. You can share with your students the self-join link, and they'll be able to join your class with a new or an existing account. And finally, you can import a list of students. You can download a sample CSV file on this page. If you're rostering your classes through Google Classroom or Clever Library, you have to add or remove the student in Google Classroom or Clever Library first, and then you need to resync your account by going to My Classes and clicking Sync with Classroom or Clever. If you're rostering your classes through Clever or ClassLink, you have to make the changes on Clever or ClassLink first, and then you need to wait for the account to resync overnight.